Hi, welcome to my tutorial. I will show you how to perform the addition, but for this case we have a bank. We have a bank condition. Okay, we go to MPLAB. Okay, this is my data. This is a template, and the question is perform addition of content in 0x320 and 0x335, and then state the result in working register or WREG. Okay, this is my code. Start move LB or move literal to bank, and I will perform the bank is a 3 because this first digit per digit, and this that's mean this is from the bank 3. And then move file or move F 0x to working register, and then add working register to file, and then show at the working register. Okay, I need to put the value of the content of the 0x20 and 0x35. Like we see, we search the bank here. Okay, here double click, and then you can put any value you want, but for my tutorial I will show to you. I will give example for you 22, and then for 0x35 here. Okay, here double click, and I will give the value 2, and then we click the build all button. Wait until build success, and then need to click and need to click the run button, this one, run button, and then click. Okay, the value we show to you, this is a value of working register 0x24, and then when you add the 22 and 2, that also give you the same answer. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you for your watching.